woman, aka Keely Raquel. Check out my costume.
Where's the... Wait, this needs to be cold.
I'm going to teach y'all how to make Scarecrow Crunch, a perfect snack for a Halloween party. These are all the supplies that you need. 2 boxes of caramel popcorn with peanuts, a box of Quaker oatmeal squares cereal, a bag of pretzels, 2 boxes of Reeses Pieces peanut butter candies, 2 bags of candy corn autumn mix, yummy, and a bag of goldfish grams, extra chocolatey, and a nice big bowl, Halloween bowl, makes it really cute. And you just mix it all together. I'm just kind of estimating on the portions. And I don't want to mess up my cat claws, so I'm going to use this handy dandy wooden spoon. Oh, I forgot the candy corn. You cannot forget the candy corn.
And you don't just slowly open, you just dump it on there. No, I mean, I'm the random avatar in the room.
Say hey to Avatar.
Hey, Avatar.
Hey.
That looks delish.
And for now, I'm only going to use 1 box of caramel popcorn, but I think I'll add the next one later. And I think you can go with half a bag of pretzels, because that's a lot of pretzels. There you have it, Scarecrow Crunch. Hope you make it for your Halloween party, Thanksgiving party. Use it for next year. Happy Halloween! Bye! I edit it, so it's okay.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, I'm going to teach you how to make, what's it called? Scarecrow Crunch. Sorry. These are all the supplies. A bag of Tiny Twist. You're messing up my video. Have you seen this? Okay.
Go back to the rolled gold pretzels. That's where you start.
You gotta turn it up. Shake it. Turn it upside down.
A bag of 2 boxes of. People are laughing at me, but that's okay. Handy dandy wooden spoon.